Okay, all of you, is it audible now? Be attentive and as there are three structures on the board: simple present state of being, simple past state of being, and if I ask the question, you can talk. Unnecessarily, don't talk during the class. Okay. Sit right properly. That is not the way of sitting. Sit properly. It's okay. Three structures are there: simple present state of being, simple past state of being, and the simple future state of being. State of being. Whose state of being? It is about subject state of being. State of being means here, see, coming to science, state means a solid state, a liquid state, like that. Coming to social state, district, country, those are different. Coming to English, a state of being means a particular being, particular status. He is that. He is the chairman for this school. That state means his condition, his social status. She is my teacher, social status. They are my friends. They are my friends. We express relationships, and some social relationships are expressed. Okay?
Is your uncle a doctor?
Is your uncle a doctor? Okay, it is an yes or no question. It is a yes or no question. Is your uncle a doctor? Okay, your uncle is a doctor. Is your uncle a doctor? Just for yes or no questions, what do we do is am, is, or are placed. Am, is, or are placed before the subject to ask yes or no question. Was, were, coming to simple past state of being, was, were, are placed before subject to ask yes or no questions. Coming to simple future state of being, will is placed before subject to ask yes or no questions. Calendar.
Alluri Sita Ramaraju was a great freedom fighter.
Alluri Sita Ramaraju was a great freedom fighter. Alluri Sita Ramaraju, he was a great freedom fighter. It happened before independence. Before our independence, no? So it happened in the past. He was a great freedom fighter. Is it not? Was is, we should use simple past state of being. Past social status. Nikhil?
Sarojini Naidu is a Nightingale of India.
She is a...
Already talked.
Huh?
He told that sentence in the before.
Of course. Try to tell some more sentences. Your own sentences. Don't take action verbs like come, sing, play. Don't take action verbs. Don't take possessiveness verbs. Possessiveness verbs. Something have, had. Without taking these two kinds of verbs. Just are the main verbs in simple present state of being. Was, were are the main verbs in simple past state of being. Will be state of being verbs of the future.
Lata Mangeshkar was a singer.
Lata Mangeshkar. Is she alive? Is she still alive? Lata Mangeshkar. If she is not alive, okay. Lata Mangeshkar was a singer. Okay, next.
Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player.
Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player, of course. He is not in the team now. He is not playing. He is not playing. Of course, in the past, he was a cricket player. Next. Very good. Claps for Joshi first time. Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player. Try to, for beginners.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a great freedom fighter.
Yeah, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a great freedom fighter. Very good. Claps for Niharika. First time.
C.V. Raman was a father of the science.
C.V. Raman was a
Father of science.
father of.
Science.
C.V. Raman was a father of science. Okay. Next. Nehru was the best freedom fighter. Okay. Hanavi is telling that Nehru was. There was some comparison. He was the best. He was a freedom fighter, of course. He was the best, of course. Hanavi is answering. He was the best freedom fighter. All struggled.
APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist.
APJ Abdul Kalam was yes, scientist. He was a scientist. Good. Gandhi is a. Gandhi was a freedom. Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter. Okay, was. Arshika, claps for Arshika.
Gandhiji was a father of a nation.
It is actually, he is a father of the nation. Somehow his coming to his opinions are expressed in the books. His wisdom is expressed in his books. So Mahatma Gandhi is usually expressed because it has become general truth in the country. It is a permanent belief in the country. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. He is the father of the nation. Somehow he is regarded like that. Still his ideas are alive. Was is not correct there. He is the father of the nation. His wisdom is next.
Sun is the teacher of Hanuman.
Oh, Sun is the teacher of. Sun is the.
Sun was the teacher.
Teacher for Hanuman.
Now also teacher itself.
When Hanuman was a child, Hanuman was actually willing to learn something. Sun was the teacher. Hanuman is no more a child now, Lord Hanuman. Was actually, for me, when I was a child, something coming to Hanuman, his childhood is no more now. Next. Don't go for action sentences. Don't go for possessiveness sentences. Just we are sticking to the state of being sentences.
Mendeleev is the father of periodic table. Mendeleev is the father of periodic table.
He is the father of periodic table. Okay, you are expressing some of your subject knowledge. Okay.
They are my friends.
They are my friends. Next.
I made a fish.
See, they are my friends. What I am actually, what you can notice in that sentence? They are my friends. Of course, they are my friends. Oh, what is the information there? They are my friends. What is the sense in the sentence?
They are my parents.
They are my friends means, see, relationship is the sense there. So, you can express silent, be silent. You can express any relationship with these three factors. It can be positive relationship or negative relationship.
She is my mother.
She is my mother, they are my friends. Someone is waiting there, I may ask you, someone has come, is she your mother? Yes or no?
Rajnikant is a great actor.
Okay, Rajnikant is a great actor. What is the sense in the sentence? What I am asking is, everyone tells, okay, Rajnikant is a great actor. Very good. But you need to express what is the sense in the sentence. What is the what you have actually expressed in the sentence? Of course, Rajnikant is an actor. Rajnikant is a great actor. Okay. What is the message? Something. Huh?
Quality.
Rajnikant is a great actor. Of course, profession. What is the sense in the sentence is? Profession. Claps for Kartikeya. See, that is what the concept is. Profession is the concept, this is the structure. Concept and coming to sense, profession is the sense and the structure. Sense and the structure, both are together, both are actually belong to concept. Both belong to concept.
Virajita is my cousin.
What is that?
Virajita is my cousin.
He is my cousin. Again, what you have expressed is he is my relationship. That is the concept in the sentence. Behind using these structures, Joshil, relationship, professions. What is your sentence? Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player. Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player. What is the sense in the sentence? Coming to the structure, Sachin Tendulkar was a cricket player. It is the simple past state of the structure. Okay. She is my best friend. Joshil, what is the sense? Cricket player. He was a cricket player means profession. He can be an actor, he can be a cricket player, he can be a teacher, he can be a doctor, he can be a lawyer, he can be a policeman, something, All these sentences belong to profession.
Virat Kohli is best player of India.
Virat Kohli is
Best player of
the best batsman. Virat Kohli is the best batsman in India. Virat Kohli is the best batsman. Okay, Ranveer says that Virat Kohli is the best batsman. Something in the comparisons also, the best. He is better. He is good. He is the best batsman. Batsman again, it is profession. Batsman, bowler, fielder. In cricket itself, again, there are some.
Virat Kohli is the king of cricket.
Virat Kohli is a king. He is the king. King Kohli, it is, It is informally, it is given like the film stars or any producer, these informal, not informally some like movie heroes also take some stars. Some now recently even cricket players. So these so fancy tags. These are But coming to Bharata Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, they are formally recorded. But these are these are fans. Fans have such feeling. Fans, social media somehow in society somewhere informally these tags are there. Some more sentences.
Atkuri Mullah was a great poet. Atkuri Mullah was a great poet.
Was a great poet, very good. Next. RIMO. These are designations. Officially, government, companies, CEO, an authoritative body in organization. It can be government organization or a private company. Officially, some designations are given. Those can be expressed in the state of being sentence.
Women are hard workers.
Women's.
Are
Now
hard
coming to plural, women. WOMEN. MAN is singular. Woman. Women is plural. Man singular. Men plural. Women are hard workers. Okay. Women are hard workers. They are hard workers. Women are hard workers. Next. You are describing with noun. Women are hard workers. We describe subject with adjectives or nouns.
Lord Krishna was a great teacher.
Lord Krishna was a great teacher. Okay.
Lord Krishna was a great cardiologist.
Lord Krishna was a great cardiologist. Oh. Next. Don't use working. See, hard worker. Worker means noun. Working. Worked. Working is verb. Don't go for action verb right now. We will speak about action sentences later. Dhyanchand was the best hockey player in India. Claps for Pranavi.
Bhagavad Gita is a holy book of Hindus.
It is identity. It is a holy book for Hindus. Bhagavad Gita that Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. Its status. What is the social status of the Bhagavad Gita? Its status is the book status. It is a holy book. Bhagavad Gita is a holy book for Hindus. Okay. Next.